The ridiculous field conditions on Hoth Sunday could prove costly to Colts kicker Adam Vinatieri, beyond the losing of another game. Via Mike Wells of ESPN.com, Vinatieri's 2 misses in the snowdrifts of Buffalo last week could end up costing the veteran kicker a $500,000 incentive in his contract. He missed a potential game winner from 43 as well as a 33-yarder, but the conditions were not what he's used to. The footing for sure was the toughest, Vinatieri said. Trying to run through snow and get good plant, that's crazy. If it was just snow and no wind, it's one thing. But you get both of them. It was a tough game. The explainable Betrare 0 for 2-day dropped Vinatieri from 95.6% to 88% accuracy this season, 22 of 25. He would earn a $500,000 bonus if he gets to 90% on field goals this season. He's been over 90% 5 times in his previous 21 seasons. But to reach that now, he'd need hit his next 5 field goals to get his percentage back over 90. The good news is 2 of his 3 remaining games are at home, which will at least give him the conditions which help him look more like himself.